It is said that winter in Dongying awakens to birdsong last December. The topic, bird wave, topped Douyin's national trending list. Few know such prosperity originates from quiet ecological restoration. The wetland once degraded, with smooth cordgrass spreading rampantly, and aquatic creatures dwindling. Instead of building scenic spots, Dongying prioritized restoring birds' habitats. 6 Yellow River diversion gates, 47 water storage dams, and 241 kilometers of water systems have been interconnected since 2018. Over 1 billion cubic meters of ecological water has been supplemented, reviving 5,400 square kilometers of wetlands. A campaign was launched against the wetland invader. 131,000 mu of smooth cordgrass was removed, achieving a clearance rate of 98.7%. The famous red wetland landscape and flocks of birds have returned in 2025. Migratory birds exceeded 400,000, and bird species rose from 187 to 403. Avoiding large-scale demolition and construction, Dongying built a low-interference bird-watching system, air-land-sea integrated monitoring, hidden viewing spots, licensed bird guides, and service stations. Bird-themed cultural creations were featured on CCTV, and hotels and homestays are fully occupied in winter. Bird-watching economy has vitalized Dongying's winter tourism. Follow the Yellow River to the sea and explore charming Dongying. Dongying is turning lucid waters and lush mountains into invaluable assets. Birds soar over the Yellow River estuary. Green vitality fuels new development strides.